Where did that go? There it is.
Wait, can we just, it's way easier coming up that thing. That's can we stand at me? No, we can't even stand. Oh, no, no, no.
Okay. Take your time coming down. There's plenty of footholds. That's it. That's it. There we go. We're going to head down this direction. Okay?
Okay.
Can I come down?
Wait for your buddy though, okay? All right, come on down. Where your foot is, you want to try to sit there, okay?
Okay.
That's good.
And then do I put my foot there?
Yeah, put your foot right on that ledge there. There you go. There you go.
Oh, I see.
Anywhere, there's plenty of places. Here, here. Put your feet.
I want to back it up right onto this.
That's okay. Whatever works for you. Everybody's a little bit different. They're built a little different. So what you're able to do is a little different than somebody else. Very good. They went down that way.
Thank you.
Welcome next.
Oh my god. Yo, what's up, guys?
Wait, can I go?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm coming. Look. Whoa. Hey, you made it to the devil's asshole.
Very good. Very good. Plenty of places to step. Yeah. That's it. Just there. Whatever works for you is good. Very good. Very good. That's it. That's it.
Cave divers when they see a crack in their
I don't know how to get up that later. But...
It's easier actually.
Alright. Oh, shoot. Trying not to like fall.
Yeah. It's easy to get tangled up in here.
Yeah.
They went that way. All right, next.
Cameron?
Take your time. Very good.
Way less hard than I thought it was.
No, that's the top of his head.
Very good.
No, that's still not
There. Okay, now you have footholds here, here. Plenty of places to put your feet.
Oh, this isn't that bad. Okay.
Okay. If Max says it's not bad.
It's not.
Yeah, I thought this was going to be way worse.
No, it's easy. Once you get into it, you go, oh, that's easy.
Yeah, and I think also being with a big group helps too. Like
True.
I don't like really tight, tiny spaces or like the dark.
No, I don't know. I like it. They went that way. Next!
Oh, this is like a hallway.
Hello?
Hello?
It's easy, don't
Do-
worry.
Very good, very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Awesome.
Oh, this is not bad.
No, it's not. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Now you can put your feet down like to here, to there, anywhere that you want.
Oh, I'm slipping in.
You're not going to go very far.
True.
I'm going to stop you. Okay, you got it? Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
They went that way.
Oh, Max, wait for me, Max. Max.
All right, next.
Come back. Oh, why is it so skinny in here?
Very good. Right here. You had it. You had it right there.
Ow. Oh my god.
You want to, where your right foot is a good place to sit.
I just put my knee in something
That's it. Perfect, perfect. Now you have a lot of footholds here, here, here. Just kind of like
I'm just gonna
work your way down.
slide almost.
Yeah, there you go.
Shooking.
Very good. You got
Where's
tie them
everybody
up.
else?
Tie them up real good.
Guys, where's
All right.
everybody else? I'm terrified.
Where your foot is, try to aim
Guys,
to sit
I
there.
don't like people
Okay?
over here. Wait,
And you can put your foot here.
where did everybody go? They're like 10. They left like 10.
There. Okay, very good. Now bring your other foot down.
Where?
Bring your other foot down to about here.
I don't know if I can get to there.
You got to get your hands down low enough. That's it. Reach a little more. There you go. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now you can step here, 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 whatever you want to do. You could use them all if you want. Okay.
Probably gonna use them all.
Okay. Put your other foot over here so you can.
I'm trying to like find a hand grip kind of.
Yeah. If you keep your hands down low, you can get down. When you're climbing up, you want to keep your hands up high.
Yeah, this is easy now.
Yeah, it's easy.
That was pretty easy.
Yeah.
Wasn't that bad?
Nope, it's not. Here we go. They went all that way.
Okay. Is there like a big area there? Or...
Sort of. All right, next. All right. Where you're aiming for, that's it, just like that, okay? Now, if you can get yourself down so you can sit on that ledge that your right foot is on, that'd be perfect.
Where do I stand at this point?
Okay, you got to come down more. Are you okay? That's it, that's it. You're doing it. That's it, right there. Are you the last one?
No, I'm up here.
Okay, now, can you lower yourself down to here?
We're here, come here. Where's here?
Are you okay? I'm underneath you. You're not going anywhere. There you go. There you go. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got this. Okay. You can put your foot here, here, here. Just kind of like stepping stone. Okay. Don't do it all at once. Try baby steps. That's it. You're doing awesome. Really good. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and they went down that way. All right, here we go.
I got this backpack.
Next, what?
I got this backpack.
Bring it.
Should I outfit?
What's that?
Outfit? Or
Yeah.
throw it down.
Now he'll fit.
We're
There you go. Very good. Okay, just step down. Doing really good, really good. That's it. That's it. Perfect.
Yo, I didn't think I was gonna fit with the bag.
Ah, yeah, it's pretty big.
Oh, yes.
It's down. We're headed down this direction here.
Alrighty.
All right.
That's all of our guys.
That's it?
Yep.
All right. I'm behind you guys then.
Alrighty.
There's a hole there to the left.
To the left.
That's down low.
Guys, keep your lights on. We got people coming. Cam, is that you?
day.
I can't fucking grab it. Thank you.
Yo, somebody pass us the wheel.
Start going back up. They're gonna come up. They're gonna go.
Alright, Luke, you have to, me first and put this and then.
Yeah, I got it.
Grab it right there.
That's it.
Do we go down the hole in here?
Hold up. Let me get in there.
Dude, it's awesome. Kind of smells like BO though.
Well, I can carry the bag if you want.
Are both my lights on?
Bro, my backup light's so powerful. Your backup light's off.
No, I just turned it off.
Yeah, so we need to make
Alright.
room.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Alright, guys, make a little bit of room.
Make room, guys.
They can go down that way.
Guys, go down.
Go down, go down.
Guys, we're gonna go. Go down. Make a little room. Just make a little room. Give me a way to go down.
I'm kind of stuck.
I gotta get behind you guys.
We're gonna go down.
I'm behind.
Oh, shit. That's a phone. Pick that up.
Oh, it's okay. It'll be alright.
I really don't want to go down there.
That did not even look that bad.
Alright.
Guys,
It was just like,
no, we have to go down.
Yeah, we're going down.
Guys, go down. We're going down. Or we're gonna be in the back. Cliff, even though we're like the first.
Guys, let's listen up. Listen.
It's team bonding.
Listen up.
Guys, listen up now.
Down there is a hole.
Yeah.
We're going to go down through that hole. It's a belly crawl. You're going to go around. There's an exit at the other end of it. You're going to come up back here behind me. Okay? Let's see if you can find your way. If you don't want to do it, listen. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to.
thank you.
Okay, I'm doing this.
I'm doing it. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go.
We got this.
So head on to it then.
Let's go. Wait, hold on. How tight is it?
It's just like a hands and knees crawl.
Oh, hands and knees. I thought you was like,
Head, shoulders,
flat,
knees, and
yeah.
toes, baby.
I thought you had to get like flat like this and then like.
Cassie, you got me up?
That would have been fucking.
Let's do it.
Alright, we got this.
Hey.
How are you?
Hey.
Oh, why is my head so
It's a Brandywine Valley Red Clay Alliance Summer Camp. It's a big. I just take them caving once a year. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, Philly Grotto.
I get so pissed.
Are you?
We're a summer camp.
on the radio.
So,
Which camp?
Kim Kirkland outside of Lebanon, Mount Gretna area.
Do not.
Okay,
So,
very cool.
yeah, I'm the director there. We come here probably 7 or 8 times a
Yo, you
summer.
going head first or leg first?
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very good. I'm glad that you're able to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Place to explore.
It is.
It doesn't matter.
Yo, Alan.
Yeah.
He's asking, do you go legs first or head first in the hole? You guess legs.
Whatever you want.
Whatever you want, man. Keep hitting my head.
I'm not going to tell you. You're exploring.
Yeah, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that.
I love you.
Ready, you going?
I'll see y'all later.
Sit on my phone and
I'll see you on the other side.
There's another summer camp that I take out towards Shippensburg to a cave out there. And that's a whole lot of fun too.
Is that the one you enter and like you're calling for a corrugated pipe?
No, I know which one you're talking about. Carnegie.
Is that what that's called? Okay.
Carnegie Cave. Yeah, that's a nice cave.
I've never been. I've heard good things about it though.
Yeah. It's good. It's open.
Guys, yo, you guys wait for
My
me.
head. It's open. You don't need to get permission to go in it.
Okay.
So it's really kind of cool.
Excellent.
The one that I like to use, I get permission from the owner. It's gated, so he gives me the combination every time I go there. And it's fun. You know, all of it. I love getting the kids on the ground. It's the best thing. How many you got with you today?
So in my group right now, there's only 4 of us, including me. We had 4 in the other group, and then 3 that they came in earlier today, and they said, "I did what I came to do."
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's a lot easier with a smaller group.
How many are you circling through here?
What do you mean?
How many are you circling through?
I don't know. I lost count.
Voices.
I lost count. The counselors are keeping track of all that. I'm just making sure they don't get into trouble.
Do you want us to wait till everyone's through, or should we?
Whatever you want to do. You want to mix in, it's okay with me. It doesn't make any difference to me.
All right, we might do that then. As the last of this group goes through, we'll follow in behind if you're all right.
Sure. There's going to be some that want to stay up here.
I heard that. Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to just head on down here, I'm going to get out of your way. And I'm just waiting for them to come up because I'm going to send them up there, but I want to spot them
Okay.
going up. I don't want them going up
Our
without
other
it.
group is coming from the cathedral into that space.
Okay.
So
It's the main chimney to the cathedral room. Is that open? Or
Yeah, to get in the cathedral from the initial walk to come in.
yeah,
You can get there, you have to climb up and then across. There used to be a way to get in from below,
Yeah.
but that's not the case anymore.
it got blocked off.
Yep,
I hate when they do that.
yep.
They keep trying to block things off, and just makes it harder, and makes for more accidents.
Let's look.
But I just have to. I'm just trying to be careful with these guys.
Always.
I don't want to lose anybody yet.
All right, you hear that crew? We're gonna tag in.
Where's the food when we
Just come in behind me. Get going.
He's got the
I did gymnastics for 1 year and a half there.
Yes,
Yes?
yes. That does
You
not
did
sound
gymnastics?
Okay, guys.
Bro,
Right, I'm looking behind.
do not strike me as
You guys,
gymnastics.
who's not going?
All of us.
All of us.
Okay, once we move to the side, there's another group coming down and going to try to go in through there. Okay.
Sister used to do gymnastics, and I would have to go to her
They're gonna come up here. I want to get out of your way.
I had to go to
Dude, I used to do cheerleading.
Oh, it smells like baby.
Let me get out of the way here somewhere.
I know.
Thank you.
All right.
Guys, right over here. There's people going down there.
And it's Alan.
Yeah,
I'm Zach.
Zach.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Good to meet you. Where are you from? I'm sorry.
Kevin, I miss you.
Are you with a grotto or
No, I'm just the director of the summer camp.
just a director? Okay.
Kevin is dead. Kevin is dead.
I don't know.
I
Kevin, I'm coming up.